Morning, pare.
Dok, eto medyo konting kiliti lang.
Sige.
Yung medyo gulo ba sa volleyball right now, may effect din ba sa ano yun, sa ginagawa yung tulong at least sa grassroots na itayo pa rin yung volleyball dito sa bansa?
I can see Bong Pedralbes smiling as you were asking your question. I think you'll have a better answer than me. No. Kasi yung gulo naman ho, parang hindi naman nawala talaga, no? Kasi from the time that this all started, hindi naman tayo natahimik talaga na, from my point of view lang to So as long as kami naman, we're staying in our lane, we're doing our best, at we're making friends with everybody, like what I said, we don't need enemies, we need more friends. If everyone would have that attitude, baka hindi naman tayo gugulo ng gusto. Diba? So kami, we're blessed to have a very, very generous and understanding and loyal sponsor. Dito naman nagsimula lahat
Yes.
Diba? Shakey's naman ang nagdala sa consciousness ng Pilipino ng volleyball. If not for them, hindi natin masabi kung kung nasan ng but really, we have stayed our course. We have stayed firm that kung magkakaroon tayo ng collaboration and if it will end up for the good of the sport, we're open to that. And I think we've kept that attitude, and I think hindi naman kami napapahamak. So, now to answer your question, about the gulo, sabi ko nga kung makakatulong kami na maayos, why not?
Okay, ang Doc, bayaan mo sila doon.
Isa pa yun. Just watch the fireworks and see. But really, maayos din yan. Maayos din nila yan. Mas pinapasarap lang siguro yung pero maayos nila. Lalo na si Apak nandyan. Si Apak, pwede nating ilagay sa gitna yan. Saka si Julius, pwede natin pang gitna yan.
Dok, kaya kayo Shakey's habang
Yeah.
Yun ang maganda. Habang kumakain kayo ng pizza, potato corner, peri-peri, R&B. Yan ang pwede nyo. Huwag nyo kakalimutan magpa-take out ng manager's choice sa Mojos. Yun lang. Di ba?
Gutom ka naman.
Yun lang. Kung gusto nilang order lang sila ng manager's choice.
Sige.
May super card pa.
Ako nga, bunch sa lunch.
Meron ka bang special guest sa MMA? Mukhang naabot ng alauna ng madaling
No, kaya nagtatanong si Lito kasi yung unang balik namin at the Rizal Memorial, natapos kami alas 2:30 ng umaga. So, we have the Guinness Book of World Records na longest volleyball day. Nagsimula sa umaga, 5 sets, tapos 2:30. Nung nagta-time out na yung naglalaro, sila Kung Fu ng UST, kape na yung iniinom, di na Gatorade. Kape na, bumabag yun. So, lahat nung nanonood sa live stream, hindi nakasimba ng alas 7 the following day. Linggo, Sabado yun Ang malupit, signal number 4 the next day. Sunday, on a Sunday, declared signal number 4. So, alas 6 pa lang, magkakausap na kami, itutuloy pa natin? Sabi ko, maawa naman kayo. Kasi,
Doc,
yes.
with that kind of experience,
Yes.
meron kayong plan to change the rules
Na?
para sa scoring system.
Okay. Pahabain pa natin?
O may nakahanda na kayo.
Okay, but alright. I'll share something funny. But there was a proposal sent to me for a 24-hour volleyball competition. 24 hours. Walang labasan ng gym. Ikot hanggang sa mag-champion. But you have to complete 24 hours. Parang marathon. So, binigay niya sa akin yung dynamics, binigay niya sa akin yung participants. Sabi ko, hindi ubra dito. Pasensya na po, pero mukhang hindi ubra. Pero sa kanila, ginawa nila fundraising, 24-hour volleyball.
Siguro mga one set lang.
Hindi.
Kada competition.
Hindi, talaga mag-aantay ka ng pinapadlock yung gym.
Wow.
Walang lalabas. Galing ng concept. Pero tingin ko hindi pa applicable sa atin. Hindi pa applicable. I don't wanna be locked with these guys for...
Pati crowd, di lalabas.
Walang crowd yata. Parang walang crowd ata yun.
Napanggit nyo pala live stream. Naka-live stream to sa one page. Yeah. And again, audience, magkano may ano ba, minimal?
Ticket prices are very, very affordable.
Yeah.
It's only 200 pesos.
Mura.
Mura. Kasi we understand that our fans are coming from the schools,
Yes.
families, lolo, lola, kapatid. So we want to really make it as accessible, affordable, and as magaan sa bulsa as possible. Now, with regards to the live streaming, yes, we will be live streaming on multiple platforms. We have our Shakey's page, we have our YouTube, Facebook, we have our Puso P na app, we have Solar Sports, and what else do we have, James? I think that's it. Yun, no? And it's easy lang. Type nyo lang yung Shakey's Super League. Andiyan na agad sa YouTube and Facebook.
In addition, but we have
What?
Turny.ca, which actually we use for our results. So results namin na-upload that sa website. And then you can just click the QR code, which is actually on the media of the IDs of the players. Lalabas na yung result real time.
Yung gustong mag-cover pala, paano daw to?
Oo naman, always welcome.
Punta.
Meron tayong media accreditation, but every time we go there, you know us, you know who to approach,
Okay.
just go and visit, and syempre may konti tayong salo-salo after.
Yeah.
Yun.
Okay.
Isa na lang.
One more.
Okay.
One more gap.
Meron tayong ambassador ng Shakey's Super League, si
Yes.
Shai Nitura of
Yes.
Adamson. Will this Shai see her in our games?
Yes, for sure. So there will be matches that she will be there. Although Adamson, her team is not playing, pero she will be there during the exhibition match between the USA team and the local public school from Binyan, Laguna. She'll be there, and she'll be also there during the awarding.
Okay. Thank you so
I think
much.
she's injured, no? Parang she has a foot injury, and she was included in the pool of Dallas, pero unfortunately she has a foot injury. I think let's wish her well.
Okay. So siguro, meron po bang additional announcement? Gentlemen?
We would like to, if we will be allowed, we'd like to also thank our other sponsors. No?
Yes.
Eurotel as our official hotel, Victory Liner as our official transport partner. We have Rigor, which is our official video challenge. We have Rebel Sports, official outfitter, Summit Mineral Water. We have Smart PLDT. We have Mikasa and E6. We have Romel Sitin of Uwagi, Pai, and Jetur helping us out. We have Oh yeah, Philippine Sports Commission.
Yes.
And Shed, Sobra, Philippine Sports Commission, Chairman Pato, saludo po kami sa inyo. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you so much for gracing our PSA forum. Please invite again Sir Allen. Allen, invite po sa